The 2022 Flagstaff 26RB walkthrough has a power tongue jack set for 2 batteries, large storage in the underbelly, and electric jacks front and back. It has a big power awning with frameless windows, solid step going into the coach, and a ladder on the roof combined with a hitch at the bottom for bike racks, spare tire, 50 amp service with an outside shower, and all of your docking station, which is lit by a LED light. Got extended door handle assist, and let's go in the coach and see what we can see. Alright, in the living room area we have a hide-a-bed couch that folds out into a bed. And then you have a booth dinette with drawers underneath for storage. That also turns into a bed. Blackout shades. And then above the couch is 3 cabinet doors. And then below that, the blue light is a reading light for the couch. There are 2 of them. This coach is equipped with an inverter and solar. And in the bathroom you have a big shower with glass door. And then turning around we have a big linen closet, medicine cabinet, lots of storage, another spot for toothbrushes, toothpaste, large sink with plenty of counter space, and toilet where there's chicken wing space. Now here comes the beauty of this unit, and that is the pantry. That has a motion sensor light as you walk in. And then you have your entertainment area with speakers, radio, and television. Below that you have cabinets and an electric fireplace. It does output heat if you're plugged in. Going into the kitchen, you've got an 8 cubic foot refrigerator. And this refrigerator does run on either propane or electricity. And now that we move further into the kitchen, you'll see the Magic Chef microwave. And next to that, a couple of cupboards to keep your pots, pans, and other dishes in. Then below that, in the sink is actually a dual-sided sink with covers to give you more counter space, and then a GFI plug for your mixers. Then underneath the sink we're going to have a little bit of storage along with access to your drains. And then of course you have your 3 drawers. And then you have a little bit bigger oven with a 3 burner stove, glass top, again to give you more counter space. And then as we head in the bedroom, You got a pocket door that closes it off into the master. Walk around queen bed with storage above the bed and along the sides. Nightstands include 12-volt chargers and household plugs. And then you have a big wardrobe slide for all of your clothing storage, all of your hangables. And then of course, like most coaches, you have storage underneath the bed by lifting up the bed, or there are 2 drawers underneath as well. Now this unit is a 50 amp coach, so it means it does have second AC prep. If you want to see another walkthrough video, look in the top right hand corner and you will see the next walkthrough video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.